Hello, everyone. Welcome to Court with Krissy. This one is super short, but isn't she the sweetest? She might not have any teeth, but she sure has a mouth. I hope you like it. Court with Krissy is now in session.
Is Miss Jones online, Mr. Downing?
She's in custody.
Oh, there she is. There she is. I was going to ask about that. Is this the case? Yeah. Motion for determination of probable cause on April 6th. So, Ms. Jones, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Regarding the case 797026, I found probable cause a couple of days ago for assault in the 4th degree, also malicious mischief in the 3rd degree. Those are both punishable by 364 days in jail and a $5,000 fine. Are you living in Port Angeles or Forks these days, Ms. Jones?
I was living but Clarence and Vern tried to either fuck me or kill me.
Right. Okay. So that's going to be one of your conditions of release is you may not have contact with the residents, with that residence or its residents pending outcome of this case. So we're going to prohibit contact with that residence for the time being. We're going to go ahead and appoint clown public defenders to represent you. Ms. Jones, I'm going to have to put a bail on you. I don't know if you have the wherewithal to post bail, but I'm going to require $2,000 cash for you to bail out. Do you think you can bail out?
No.
Okay.
Your Honor,
Yes.
could I be heard on the?
Oh yeah, Mr. Murphy. I'm sorry I didn't see you. I'm on Zoom, so you didn't pop up on my screen. What's up?
No, I was just sitting quietly, Your Honor. You know me, I'm always sitting quietly.
Yeah, that's you.
But actually, so we would be asking the court to impose bail. But just by way of background, it looks like Miss Jones was before this court back in September of last year with the identical charges. Obviously, a different incident name, but the identical charges.
Right.
That bail at $5,000 cash or $50,000 bond. But I
Right.
believe the first court was also taken into account. That didn't result in a conviction. There was a competency issue.
Right.
And she was not found not competent and not restorable.
Ken Hewlett was Ken.
Okay, so Ms. Jones.
I didn't know he was Hewlett.
Ms. Jones, stop talking. I need to hear Mr. Murphy. So, Mr. Murphy, is your request for higher bail?
Yes, Your Honor. And just a brief additional basis for that.
That's actually a good idea. We'll set bail at $5,000 cash. We're used to Ms. Jones kind of cycling in and out. This is not unusual for this court.
Nobody's been giving me my medication since I've
I
fucking
know.
been here.
You're probably right in the right place right now, Ms. Jones. We'll see you Monday on Zoom, 9:30. And Mr. Kressel's been appointed, and she's been advised of her rights. I don't know if she's seen the paper to sign yet, but anyway, she knows the drill. We'll see you Monday at 9:30.
Larson can pay my fucking bill.
And so we'll notify clown public defenders that she probably needs an evaluation again.
I'll hit him over the head myself.
And like I was saying, Mr. Murphy, I think that covers.
I did also have a bench warrant quash. I missed it.
And Dan Walter Payne Larson can kiss my turn.
So, Mr. Downing, do you see Ms. Cox at all?
May I address the court for a moment?
Yes, sir. Yes, what's up?
Okay, Ms. Cox is under the weather, and she is unable to come at this time. If we could set it over.
Yeah, we're going to set it over till Monday. She can appear Monday at 9:30. And by the way, Mr. Murphy, and for the jail's benefit, I am not inclined to quash the warrant. I think this is warrant number 3 or 4 on this one, so we're not going to quash the warrant. And Mr. Murphy, we can talk about raising the bail on Monday.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Does that make sense?
I think it does.
Right. Okay. Okay, I think we're done, Mr. Murphy, with the criminal calendar. Mr. Downing, are we done with the criminal calendar?
Yes, nothing till 10 o'clock.
All right, gentlemen. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Mr. Downing.